Hey, this is Sunshine Johnny, and I'm wishing you a sunshiny day. Well, you've made it to the agent registration page, and I'm glad that you have. It's free and easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that just now. So here we are at the agent registration page, and I'm going to show you just how easy and quickly you can get this thing done. Username, I'm going to put in a new username. Call myself Orlando. I'm going to make my email. Okay, and I'll make a password up. Okay, the user type I select, that's going to be single agent, and I'm going to click this button that says I agree with the terms and conditions. Once you do that, you're going to click register. Your account was created. Fantastic. Now that I have an account created with Sunshine Johnny, that's awesome to know. I'm going to go into the right-hand side of this, and I'm going to enter the site as a user. So I entered Orlando. Okay, and I'm going to put in the password, and I'm going to log in. Okay, so here we are. So now once you log in, you're going to be on the profile page. What you're going to want to do is take your time with this, put in your real full name here, not just the username that we made up, and you're going to put in your contact information and upload this picture. You don't want this silly picture here, so you want to change that as soon as possible. And then if you want to put the social links in, you can. You don't have to. And as it goes over here, where you're located, your city, state, and area, and then down here, you're going to put down in here in the About Me, a bio if you'd like to. And then we're going to also in the future send you back a note after this, and you're going to check off the boxes of the neighborhoods, areas, cities, regions that you service. So let's get started as a Sunshine agent and start connecting with New York buyers. What you can do to help us out in return, again, this is a free service. All we're asking for you is that when someone comes in to look for a property with you in Florida, you ask them the question, where are you coming from? They're going to say New York. When they say New York, you say, that's fantastic. I'm a Sunshine agent and I can help find an agent that will service you properly in the New York marketplace. That's when you give us a call. We'll give you a 33% referral fee for any listings that you give us, 25% on buyer leads. So let's get the business going. In return, we're going to send you buyer leads down there for a 25% buyer referral fee. That's as simple as it is. We're a relocation connection service, and we're looking forward to making those people that are looking from New York to Florida go to Sunshine Johnny for all their information, advice, and support. So here we go. Let's get going. Thanks for joining us as a member, and look forward to seeing you on the other side.